Everyone, Sonic the Hedgehog here, and today we're reacting to Sonic Night of the Werehog, and I'm here with Mario and Boom Shadow. Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Greetings, it's me, Shadow the Hedgehog, and today we're reacting to another video with Sonic and my son.
No,
You retard. Yo, what's up, fuckers? It's the me and Mario.
that's crazy. Me personally, Mario, I wouldn't let nobody call me their son. That's just me personally.
But here's the thing, though. He's the retard. Every time he does this, he's such a retard. Look at him. Look at this. Look at him.
I'm just gonna start the video. Here we go.
Let's do this. This atmosphere kind of looks ass.
What'd you say?
I said it looks pretty good. It looks really good.
Bro, would you look at it? It's Mario and Luigi when they were little boys.
What are you talking about? There's no mustaches. That's not me.
That is y'all. That's y'all when y'all was little boys.
But we had mustaches when we were little boys.
Oh, some man-childs then.
What are you talking about? We're young man child.
Y'all are man-childs. How do you have mustaches at... You know what? I'm just gonna focus on video.
There you go. So, take a joke because I was shaming you, and that's not as when we were a child. That is actually Shadow. That is Shadow, modern Shadow, and Blue Shadow. It looks just like you. It looks just like you, Blue Shadow. It looks just like you.
She's kind of hot. She's kind of hot, even though I'm dating Amy. But like, oh my god.
YOU. Fuck you.
Fuck you too. Anyways, Sonic, why are you sitting over here, Goat? What is wrong with you?
I don't know. Look at her. Look at her. Look.
Stop sipping over Ghost. Stop sipping over Ghost. And okay, stop sipping over Ghost. Or I'll bring up the humans again. Stop bringing up the Ghost. I'm gonna bring up how you dated the human people again.
Oh. Why the fuck did he make that kind of face?
Man, look.
Sonic, yeah. You know who I am. Yeah. And Chip, yeah.
They're coming.
Yeah.
What you say, Mario?
I said, oh, he was the hedgehog. He was the hedgehog. And he was the chipper.
I don't understand why Chip is so scared.
I wonder what's upstairs.
Well, it's obviously Chip's a coward.
Oh, jeez.
Chip's a coward. That's
honestly,
obvious.
This video is looking really good so far.
I really thought you would understand this event, Unleashed. And second off, how did you revive Chip from the dead?
Hey, Mario.
How the fuck is that even possible?
What do you want? What do you want, Blue Rat? What do you want, Blue Rat?
Do it look like I give it? You know, never mind.
Yes, you do.
How you know? Look at Chip. Why are you so scared?
It's Chip. It's Chip. He's a coward. How would you not know this? He's a coward.
Why does she keep giving them kisses? That's supposed to be me. Even though I know I'm dating Amy, but like, come on now.
What are you talking about? I said to you before, you talked to an AI of Amy that you didn't even talk to the real Amy. Why did you talk to an AI and not the real Amy?
Because, yes.
Honestly, I want to make this challenge for Sonic. Try not to be a simp. Mode impossible.
You know what? I'm not going to be a simp for the rest of the video.
Like, seriously, he never stopped simping.
That's such a lie, and you know it.
Oops.
I think he's dead.
Yeah, just like at the end of the Sonic Unleashed.
Yeah, very much like Sonic Unleashed. Yes, very much.
I can't get scared.
There's you.
I'm Sonic. You know who I am. I
You're
can't
some.
get scared. I'm him.
Yeah, you're a blue fucking.
Listen, look here, Mario, bro. When we realize that I'm not Boom Shadow over here.
Excuse me?
You know, I think you're kind of right. I think you're
Moi?
kind of right about. I think you're kind of right about this boomer.
Fuck you.
Okay.
Seriously, can we just shut up and keep watching the video?
It's we.
No, go fuck yourself.
Me personally.
How about you?
No, I'm good. All it is literally just kept me in a tower. That's literally what this is so far.
What? Oh yeah, it's time.
Oh
Damn.
my!
Chip
Oh my
is such
god!
a dirty cat.
Oh my
Seriously,
god!
come on.
Oh my god! Sonic's gonna lose his virginity and go Werehog. Holy fuck!
Oh yeah.
Wait for it.
He's losing his virginity.
Why did that look like the Super Smash Bros. Logo a little bit?
Wow.
Because they wanted to put them in a Super Smash Bros. Logo. Also, Sonic just hit puberty and went Werehog.
Look at me. Oh yeah.
Oh.
Sonic's a furry!
What are you guys doing?
I think they're kind of pissed.
Wait,
about
what the
it.
fuck are you guys doing?
I think they're pissed at you. Sonic. I think you're dead.
Yup. You're probably cooked.
Sonic, you know who I am. I never get cooked.
Well, you're wearing a hard form, so you know, like, yes, you are cooked. You're not as fast as your Metron form.
But I guarantee you I can kick their butt. Look
So,
at me. Oh yeah.
I'll believe it when I see it.
yeah.
Oh wow.
You're done.
Wow.
Yup. You're literally fucking cooked.
Good Chip gotta come in the clutch. He's gonna help me. Yeah.
What are you talking about? He's a coward. Why would he help you? Why would he help you if he's a chicken?
Can't even do shit.
Exactly.
He's a
I agree with
fucking
you.
coward.
If Chip was here, he wouldn't take this daily disrespect.
But he's dead.
Here's the thing though, we could bring him back to life.
Why would you bring
How?
him back to life?
It's very easy.
Fuck.
It's very easy. This is what you want to do. You just do it. That's how you break. Wow.
You're dead.
No.
Yep. Yeah.
I don't know how did you survive that. Oh, so you're so fucked.
Yeah. Okay. I'm done. Yeah, I'm done. Yeah, it's over.
Funny how I can see. It's funny how I can see ghosts, but you can't see a simple ghost.
Yeah.
Oh, you're so screwed. They got the camera. Oh, you're so screwed.
Oh.
They're
So now
screwed. Look at him.
Well, yeah, because the ghosts are little dumbasses.
Yeah, like you.
No,
Oh.
you mean like no. You mean like real?
I would.
Shut up. Shut up. You mean like Shadow. You mean like Shadow. Not Moon Shadow, but Minor Shadow.
See? Look, I won. I'm him. I'm not cooked.
Yeah, because you found out that where the ghosts work.
Hey Mario, go F yourself.
Also, how? Wait, no. How does that moon look like the Smash Bros. Logo actually now? How does it? There's no lines.
Look at her. See, she know I'm handsome. Look at her. Everybody wants this.
You
They
can
want the
hit
whole package.
them.
They want the whole
No,
Yeah,
no,
package.
no,
Mario,
no, no,
you
no,
are a
no,
simp.
no. No. It's not like that's your Amy 2.0.
Hold on. Boom Shadow. Don't you simp for Whisper?
Question, Sonic. When will you ever stop being a simp?
Question, Boom Shadow. When will your franchise ever come back? You know, Sonic Boom is kind of trash, and yeah,
Yeah,
I don't.
I mean it is kind of ass.
And Mario, you're not. I know you're not talking.
Jump
Why?
into a
Like,
volcano.
It's not like bro. When are your characters coming back?
wait, did they try? Wow, wow. They took the real chip.
Okay. Okay. Because Chip is.
She is kind of hot.
You
Please
said you
shut
were.
the fuck up, Mario.
No. What the fuck to say? Nah, here's the thing, Boocha. He said he would sub to this whole video. You fucking lied, Sonic. I'm gonna jump you
Yeah,
for it.
But
I'm
yeah,
gonna jump you.
yeah, we're gonna fucking jump you.
what's good? But here's the
Yeah,
thing, though.
let's jump.
I know I lied, but
Yeah,
at least
let's jump Sonic.
I know I lied, but at least I don't lie on a daily basis. Let's talk about Shadow because he lies every day.
That is so true. That is so true.
Yes.
Yes, I could
Yes,
agree.
you're
That is
right.
absolutely true.
I mean, modern Shadow, he's literally a pathological liar.
Like you.
Like you.
No. All shadows are liars.
If you guys enjoyed the video, subscribe and like the video and subscribe to Mario and Boom Shadow. Do you guys got anything to say?
Yeah.
Thank you for
you're a
having
simp.
me. And also, you're a simp. Just like Mario
you're-
said.
You're a simp and don't subscribe to Sonic. Go.
Boom Shadow,
If you
you're
want to see
welcome.
content.
You're welcome, Boom Shadow, and thank you for leaving my house because you is kind of stinking up my room. And then Mario, I know you're not talking. I'm about to handle. I'm about to
Both
handle
of you
you
need
after
to
this.
put a rag in your asses.
Hey Sonic, you want to jump boost out? You want to jump?
Yeah, let's go.
Let's go.